G'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here today with one of the last pieces I actually need to fix on my Monaro at the moment, and it is the climate control fan, which is this. I pulled it out a long time ago. I think I might have talked about it in a previous video, but I just went to the wreckers today. I didn't really film anything there because it's just me and it's a bit hard to do wrecker stuff and film at the same time. But I pulled this out of a similar model year, a 2002 Vectra, a 2002 Bellina. So it sort of has the climate control like mine. So I thought, well, that's the closest thing, and plus this car was actually in pretty good nick at the wreckers, so I thought, well, this one's probably going to be the best of the lot. So basically we're going to, don't have to remove the other one, it's already removed, so we're going to stick this one in. So essentially what we'll be doing today is just screwing these 3 bolts back in, plugging it in, putting the cover back on. I think that's 3 screws as well. And hopefully that fixes my problem, because I'm hoping it's not the little solenoid thing that's further up in the engine, and that this is the issue. So I went to my local wreckers. I bought this for $15. Been looking online, and most of them have been like $80, $90 for a brand new one or more, and second hand about 60, 70 bucks. So for $15, this is pretty good, and if it doesn't work out, they did give me a warranty, so I can go in there and I'll probably change it out for the other part, that if that is the part that's broken. So we'll get stuck into it right now, and hopefully this fixes my problem and I get my air conditioning back. Okay, so I thought before I get started, this is basically where the fan goes in. You can see the 3 bolt holes. That's the plug for it to go in. And then this cover is just 3 bolts, one at the back, front here, and then on this side, just up there. So it's going to be a little bit hard for me to film how this goes in because of just limited space. So I'm going to get stuck into it, and then I'll show you the final result, and then we will hopefully be able to start this car and have airflow finally, because the fan doesn't work on hot or cold. So this could be my issue, and if it is, it's a very cheap fix. Okay, so I've got the car running at the moment because that's the only choice I've got, because my battery is very flat and I have to jump start it every time. So this is, yikes. All right, this is the test to find out, has this fan worked, and has a $15 wreckers part actually fixed my Monaro. So we'll flick it around, going to turn it on, hopefully we see some air. This is nuts. Oh! Yes! Yes! We're back! Holy smokes! How's the door one? Oh! It's coming out! It worked! 15 bucks! Oh, this is unbelievable! I can't believe it. How great is that? A $15 wreckers part fixes all the climate control in my Monaro. I am so pumped. That is amazing, and I'm so happy about that, because I thought it was going to cost me a little bit more money. I thought I was going to have to order parts, but I just took a chance on a wreckers part, and it's turned out brilliant. So if you've got issues with your fan and it's not coming on, but it's like lighting up but there's no air coming out, maybe look at fixing the fan. It's a very simple fix. It's 3 bolts to remove the plastic shroud, 3 bolts to remove the actual fan itself, and then just remove the plug, and that's it. On a VT and VX Commodore, that's all you need to do. Similar to sort of VY, VZ, but there's a sort of different setup. So I wouldn't mix the parts between the two, because I'm not too sure if it's going to work or not, and I think they fit different as well. So thank you all so much for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on this channel. Leave your comments down below if you've had issues like this, or if you found this solution to work as well. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, the Panda Garage. Chuck your ride up there. I want to see what everyone has that's part of the Panda Garage gang. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Any suggestions, of course, as well, for any videos that you'd like to see, chuck them down below, or send me a message on Facebook or Instagram. So until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This has been Panda Garage. I'm stoked that this car's coming along too well. I've filmed so much this weekend, and everything's been a win. So it's very rare you get that, but you've got to cherish it when it does. So until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. G'day everyone, Matt from Panda here. Oh my god. Is every fucking person driving past today?